As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, we leave Paloma, our beach fashionista, basking in the glow of her Ocho Rios adventure. Her journey through the vibrant beach life and fashion of this beautiful island has taken us on a whirlwind of style, color, and self-expression. From the breezy maxi dresses that dance with the island breeze to the bold bikinis that celebrate the joy of the sun and sea, Ocho Rios beach style is a testament to the island's spirit, confident, relaxed, and endlessly vibrant. It's a style that invites you to embrace the radiant sunshine, the rhythm of the waves, and the joy of simply being. Whether you're exploring the local markets for a unique sarong or lounging by the azure waters in your favorite sundress, remember that the best outfit is the one that makes you feel like the best version of yourself. In Paloma's words, it's all about feeling comfortable and confident. As we wrap up this journey, we leave you with a taste of Ocho Rios, a style guide that's as diverse and vibrant as the island itself. From Paloma's exploration, one thing is clear. Ocho Rios is a place where style meets comfort, where the beach is your runway and the sun your spotlight, so go ahead, embrace the Ocho Rios beach style and let your inner sun goddess shine.